Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when your DNS server is not responding in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, let us first open the run window. So we can do that simply by making a press in the Windows and R key all together, and then you will see this run window coming up. Here all we need to do is just to type ncpa.cpl, and once you are done typing, just please click on OK or enter, and then you will be able to see this network connections window coming up. Here all we need to do is just to select for the network connection that you're connected with, and then just make a right click on that, click on the properties, and then once this Wi-Fi properties window has come up, all you need to do is just to select the internet protocol version 4 or the IPv4, and once selected you will see this properties button here. So please click on that, and then you will see another window coming up. Here all we need to do is just to type for the or just go with the use the following DNS server addresses window, option. So here we need to type for the preferred DNS server. We can either have, or we can enter either Google DNS or Cloud DNS. So as you can see here, we have the 8.8.8.8 for the preferred DNS, and for the alternate DNS we have 8.8.4.4. So that is the Google DNS server. And if you want the Cloud DNS server, you can enter for the preferred DNS 1.1.1.1, and for the alternate we have 1.0.0.1. Once you have entered the DNS servers here, just click on OK. And Google DNS and Cloud DNS are very good DNS server because they are provided by they are the most commonly used by experts. So if you try to search on the internet, they will prefer, or they will recommend the Google and Cloud DNS servers. So the next thing we need to do is to open the command prompt window. So we can do that by making a search here in the Windows search tab. If you type CMD, you will see under best match the command prompt option. So here in the right hand section, you will see this run as administrator option. Please click on that, and then you will see this user account control window coming up. Here we just need to click on yes to proceed, and then this black window will be coming up. All we need to do is just to type here the command ipconfig space /flushdns. Again, it's ipconfig space /flushdns. Once you have typed it, just please click on enter, and then you will see this another C Windows System 32 coming up. Here we need to type another command, ipconfig space /registerdns. Register DNS. Once done typing, just click again enter, and then you will be able to see this this text here, see Windows System 32 again. So here we will be typing a command that is exit. So we will be able to exit the window, the black window. So all we need to do after doing that two commands is to make a restart, or just make a quick restart with your device, and then we will open again the run window. So here in the keyboard, press Windows R key again, and we will type ncpa.cpl. And then once you have already typed it, just please click on OK or enter. And this time we will enable and disable the Wi-Fi or network connection that we are connected with. So how are we going to do that? Just make a right click on disable button here, and then once you have done that, just wait for it to be this one. If it's grayed out, that means it is already enabled, and just make a right click again, click on enable, and it will start to enable it again. So just wait for the enabling process to be done. And once it is already enabled, just try to connect again with the internet connection that you're connected with. Okay, so once you have done that, close this window, and then that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.